How would you like to increase your influence in any sphere of your career and life? Are you looking to get a new job or a promotion, ignite the passion and the creativity of the teams you lead, attract new clients, gather support for your new project? Whatever it is that you want to achieve, your reputation precedes you. That is your personal brand, and every signal you send contributes to how you're perceived, directly impacting your ability to accomplish your goals. In this interactive and experiential session, you will learn leadership strategies that will help you engage others in bringing your vision to life. You will walk out of this inspiring session with a new level of self-awareness and practical, specific techniques to take active ownership of your leadership brand and make it work for you. Learn how to convey your passion, inspire others to help you get spectacular results, and avoid some common career-limiting mistakes that otherwise talented professionals make all the time. I so look forward to seeing you in June for a great day.